How's it going, guys? So decided to take a video and show you guys this hive that I picked up yesterday. I removed it out of a roof. They went in a vent and got underneath the shingles. I ripped them out. If you guys really want to see, comment down below and I'll put some pictures. I didn't take a video, but I got pictures. I removed them, brought them in this box with about half of the frames because they had a bunch of wax and larvae and babies and honey and everything. So I went again today in the afternoon because always the next day there's always a bunch of bees that are left over, and I brought them in this other little bag with another 5 frames, and they seem to have settled in pretty well. You can see some of those bees in there already telling the other bees where the good stuff's at to go find, wiggling their butts. But I have all these capped brood that I really don't want to go to waste, but I don't want to just leave them in there because the queen will continue to lay new brood and to lay new babies and whatever and so on. I want them to transfer over. So I came up with this idea. I've seen some of the guys where they pull out the frames and they put rubber bands and stuff and put in this wax and they take over. It sounds like a great idea. I tried it several times, didn't work for me. So what I did is I've made this up. I don't know if anybody else has done it. I didn't see it on YouTube. I just thought of it and it worked perfectly. Is I cleaned this up, get them to go inside. So I'll get them inside. And let me do this. Bear with me. I don't have professional cameras or nothing, so I'm gonna set you guys down for a little bit. I hope you guys can see. I doubt it, but cool. So this is what I got. When I was transferring everything over, I wiped off the bees with this little brush. If you find the queen, you don't have to do that. You find the queen, you just throw in the bottom box and leave everything as it is. But what I did is I put this queen bee excluder, and since I couldn't find my queen, I just shook them all off in the bottom box. So that will allow all this capped brood to hatch and for the bees to come in here and clean and do whatever they got to do, but it will keep the queen from coming up and laying more bees. So in about 2 weeks I'll come and they'll have this wax cleaned out. They'll have a little bit of it's not honey, it's nectar. And but that's no big deal. I'd rather all the hatching cells to hatch and a little bit of nectar or pollen. I pull it out because then it will be clean, and whatever bees we're gonna hatch already hatched, and I throw them in my melting pot. This is another one I had picked up. You can see a lot of them didn't hatch, but it was actually, this was a hive that I picked up out of the Chaffee Zoo, and the bees didn't like that I brought them over and they abandoned everything. So that's why you see a lot of capped brood and a lot of dead babies in there. But regularly it would be clean like this one, and then I would just be able to melt it. So this is my idea. This is what's been working for me. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Try it. If it worked for you, let me know. If it didn't, give me better ideas. Hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching my videos.